Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir cheese at home. To begin, ensure you have fresh milk kefir, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean bowl. This simple process transforms your liquid kefir into a versatile, creamy cheese. We'll cover everything from preparation to flavoring, making it easy for anyone to try this rewarding kitchen project. To start, you'll need about 4 cups of fresh milk kefir. You can use either homemade or store-bought. Next, grab a fine mesh strainer or a piece of cheesecloth, which is crucial for separating the curds from the whey. A clean bowl to collect the whey and a spoon for mixing are also essential. Don't forget optional seasonings like salt or herbs. First, line your fine mesh strainer with cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Carefully pour your kefir into the lined strainer. This setup allows the liquid whey to drain into the bowl below. Refrigerate this assembly for 12 to 24 hours, or until your desired consistency is reached. Finally, remove the thickened kefir cheese and season it to taste. For a firmer, drier cheese, simply allow it to drain for a longer period, up to 36 hours. Once drained, you can customize your kefir cheese by mixing in fresh herbs, spices, or minced garlic. Store your finished cheese in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's delicious as a spread, dip, or even in savory dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.